Hey everybody, this is John from MKE Outdoor Indoor Exchange, and this is my 18-month, 19-month update. First off, let me start this by saying thank you all for allowing me to continue to sit in this chair and serve our community. I'd like to start off just kind of explaining selling a used pair of pants is an offset of about 1,200 gallons of water on average. And we've sold hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pairs of pants. So I wanted to outline that. If you imagine a 55-gallon drum and how many it takes to make a 1,200 gallon reservoir, and every time you buy a pair of jeans from me, you can know that you're not dumping that out. And along with not dumping that out, you're not using the electricity to make those pants. Then you're also not contributing to the pollution that comes with the pants. So my real goal here is to sell used. Now, as you can see, we sell plenty of new things. That's exciting for us, and we're happy to do it. We can't run a business simply on selling used goods, but we can run a business model on consignment used goods. We've written over $30,000 in checks to our neighbors, and that means that we've pulled $60,000, because I get half, out of closets and basements and attics. It's $60,000 and then go into consuming new goods. Or maybe it did. Who knows where that money went? It probably went to paying people's bills. So we're contributing to that. Thank you guys for letting me do this, because you may not know, but I had esophageal cancer, and I was taken out of my previous career by it. And from my couch, from my recovery, I started selling outdoor gear on Instagram and meeting you guys at Anodyne Coffee. Some of you have been to the yard sales that we had in front of our house, and thank you all. I had someone in here yesterday who was also at my first yard sale. That's my longest client. Thank you, Kathy, of Bicycle Benefits. You hold a special place. Speaking of Bicycle Benefits, you should definitely join. It's $5 for a sticker, and it gets you a huge discount at multiple locations all over the city that are promoting bike culture. So, sign up for that. That'll be on our website soon. If not, just go check Google Bicycle Benefits, Milwaukee, Madison. Anyway, this business was started with 12 grand off my deathbed, is kind of what I was saying. I'm lucky to have survived what I survived, and it's been a hell of a road of survival. Anyway, my gratitude is so profound, and don't think that I will ever forget that. Y'all are supporting my survival, not just my passion. And this wasn't born out of passion, this was born out of must. I didn't dream this. I had an idea about this years ago, but I wasn't gonna go start a gear shop. I had to start a gear shop, and y'all back my play, and I'm not going anywhere. Thank you. We just signed our lease again, and so we're here for another 1.5 years minimum in this little tiny spot, and that's what it is. So thank you. We have been through 3 different cash registers, 3 different websites, 3 different consignment softwares since we started this business, and it has been extremely time consuming. And that's the deal when you start a business. I have no mentorship. I have no background. But I love creating systems, and especially when they start to work. That makes me excited and makes me even more invested. So creating the systems for the softwares, and creating the systems for your consignment, and creating the systems for cleaning and dealing and everything. There's so much here that my employee manual is a week of training. It's insane. So that's my passion too. I also like the technical side of it on top of the gear tech. That's all fantastic. And we somehow low-key became a vintage shop. Don't tell anyone we're a vintage store. Don't say those words. It's not what I identify by, but I'll tell you what, our vintage is the freshest. We get these 1990s Patagonias and these 1960s Pendletons, and even vintage REI Gore-Tex jackets that are profoundly beautiful with all their colors. And so I'm in. I'm all in. Thank you guys for supporting us and bringing us this far. And, you know, you check out MKE That's my wife's esthetician skincare line. And, well, she's an esthetician. I'm sure I said that all kinds of wrong, but that's our other business. She's the backbone of this business. She's the reason I'm able to do this. So if you ever thank me, you know you're thanking her. And I'm thanking you right now. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So proud to be serving our community and creating or enriching an already existing culture. It's really a gift, and I'm counting my blessings on this. So last thing, you know, most important thing is my family, and we have a new little boy. He's 5 months old. He's doing really good. He's strong. He's been talking like ever since he was born. It's kind of weird. And my wife is teaching down at Wild Workouts. Y'all should go pick up a class from her. She's going to be investing a lot more time with Wild. Like I said, she owns Mickey Skincare, but she's also a personal trainer. And I hope y'all follow me on Instagram and just kind of see the day-to-day, because I'm always trying to fill you in on what we're doing, what we have in stock, and what's going on. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Or just come in the shop and talk to me. That's kind of more our speed. Gosh, I'm drawing blanks on what to talk about, but I wanted to say thank you. That's really the whole idea. Is 18 months into this, y'all are still coming in here. Y'all are still sending your friends. Y'all are still as excited or even more than the first time you came in here. The energy's real. And stay tuned for the Gear Gala. June 1st, June 2nd. I'm not going to talk about it anymore until I get my final approval from the city. But the gala should be a beautiful event for Milwaukee. And y'all are invited. Everybody is an outdoor influence of Milwaukee is invited for absolutely free. And if you want to sell things, it costs $75 for a booth. All right. Thank you. 18 months. We'll be in touch.